to the Beamer Talks channel. Today we'll be going through our first episode where we show you how to fix your fuel regulator on a 1984 E24. Before we get started, go ahead and press the like and subscribe button so we don't run out of gas to bring you this content. The owner here bought a new regulator from Beck Arnley via Parts Geek. I'll add the link right below so you guys can check it out as well. The faulty one is also unfortunately from the same manufacturer. It did not go through the complete sealing process, which caused the owner to have a leak. And yes, he did. He did buy an extinguisher because you know fuel and extreme heat from the manifold can cause a huge fire. However, the owner could not get his hands on any other fuel regulators as certain products are not shippable to California based on state regulations. So if you've got an E24 in California and you see a fuel regulator on Amazon Prime and you're like, I'm gonna get this in 2 days. Nope, check out Parts Geek. To start taking the regulator off, you will need a socket wrench set. To remove the hose clamp, this owner purchased his clamps from AutoZone, so you'll need a 1/2 inch socket to remove the bottom hose clamp and hose. For the top, it's just as simple as taking it off. Then you will need a 10mm, and I know, that one is always lost. So you'll need a 10mm to take off that regulator itself from the fuel rail. Next, take the new regulator out and just grease the seals and openings with some oil. Place it back onto the fuel rail using a 10mm socket. At this moment, ensure you are tightening each side relatively at the same time. If you tighten one side completely and then move on to the other, the O-ring inside the regulator can tear. Just a minimal tear can cause a leak. If you happen to find yourself in the situation, check out your nearest O'Reilly's as they always have these O-rings in stock. Now, time to test his work. Alright, now time to turn the car on and see if this leaks. Alright everyone, this brings the video to an end. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let me know below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so we never run out of gas to bring you this content. Thank you!